Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So this is the mini series, verses of the Holy Quran related to human body. So today's topic is skin has pain receptors. So in chapter 4, Surah Nisa, verse 56, the Holy Quran says, Bismillah Rahman Rahim, Kullama natijat juluduhum badalnahum juludum ghairaha liyazuqul azab. Translation: When their skin will be burnt out, we shall replace it with new skin so that they remain in a state of continuous torture, that is, they feel pain. So the modern science learnt about this only about 120 years ago when Sir Charles Sherrington, a British neurophysiologist, discovered nociceptors, that is, pain receptors. And as you have seen, the Holy Quran gave this information more than 1400 years ago. So Sherrington used animal experiments to study how the body responds to harmful stimuli. Now we know that there are around 200 nociceptors, that is pain receptors, per square centimeter of skin. So many are these receptors in number. So these are specialized free nerve endings. They detect stimuli and transfer it into electric signals, which are then conveyed to the spinal cord. And then the spinal cord transmits these signals to the brain, and then we feel the sensation of pain. So these nociceptors, they detect and respond to many types of stimuli which irritate or damage the skin, including thermal, mechanical, and chemical stimuli. They record the occurrence, intensity, duration, and location of the sensation, and they are also present in muscles and joints. Besides the skin, they are also present in muscles and joints. So here in this figure, I will not go in details. Here you can see this is skin, and when there ever is some irritation or trauma, then these are nociceptors. These red colored, they send a signal to the spinal cord, and from spinal cord it is transmitted to the brain, and then we feel the sensation of pain. Dr. Tagata Tagasone was the head of the Department of Anatomy and Embryology at the University of Chiang Mai, Thailand. When he read this verse of the Holy Quran, he embraced Islam. And what he said this information could never come from a human source in that era. So this was a short vlog, and these are different vlogs in this series, which have already present about the universe, which included Big Bang, then universe has a lifespan, universe is expanding, and then about our Earth, that is Earth is geospherical in shape, and the mountains stabilize the Earth, and about our ecosystem. And then verses of the Holy Quran related to the origin of life, how life started, where it started, and then verses of Holy Quran which are related to mankind, the origin of mankind, and that is clay is the building material of humans, and then how an human embryo develops. So, and this today was about the skin. So this series is also completed events that shaped Islamic history. So And these are the previously completed series. Thank you very much for your attention. Allah Hafiz.